I'm going to share with you business ideas for the kids. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can orient your kid to become a business person or an entrepreneur. And we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Idea and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe link and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched the previous videos that I have created on business ideas, click the link in the description so that you watch the previous videos. Please stick to the end of this video so that you see which business idea best fits for your kid, or you can help your kid to start. So what are these type of business ideas that we are talking today? These are business ideas that builds your kid to be a businessman or a successful businessman. It is kind of orientation that helps the kid to understand the concept of business. What are the requirements of a business? What are the do's and don'ts of a business? Helping your kid to start this type of business at early age gives him an experience of carrying on a successful business. In every business or in every successful business, there has been a lot of challenges that the person must have undergone to reach that goal or that type of business that he have made. So helping the kid to start this type of businesses will also make him understand what type of business to invest. So what are these type of business ideas that you can help your kid start on his own, or you can help him to start this type of business? The first business idea that your kid can start is t-shirt printing. T-shirt printing is whereby your kid will have a machine to print names and logos on the t-shirt or shirts of the clients. It only requires you to have a machine that will help you print this type of t-shirts or this type of artwork. It is very important to your kid to start t-shirt printing because at early age, children are so much interested in coloring and designing things. With that in mind, so many kids or so many age mates will be interested in his business or will be interested to have their names and logos on the t-shirt or on the product that they're having. This will also create a demand for the type of business that he's operating. The second business idea that I have for you today is car wash operator. Car wash operator is when the kid is representing a certain type of car wash business, or he himself is involved in car wash business. This can be having a certain location, a certain place where he may be able to wash cars, or helping an individual who's operating this type of business. This type of business will also give him a concept of what takes place in the market and what is required to operate a successful business. The third business idea for entrepreneurial kid is writing comic books. As a kid, many of the children will require to learn certain language. This can be English, Swahili, and other languages. And to get to know this type of language, they have to go and read different type of books. The first thing that a kid will be presented to learn will be comics books. Through his studies, he can start writing children's comic books where he may be able to publish and sell it on in Amazon FBA program or at certain bookstores. Other type of business idea that best fits for the kids is operating a YouTube channel. Operating a YouTube channel will only require you to have a camera and to make videos with topics that interests you. This can be on your hobbies or on your studies or on your daily life and uploading them into YouTube. Starting this type of business will also make the kid also to understand that to have a business or to have a successful business requires you to put a lot of hard work to be successful. With this type of business, it is also very easy because he'll be doing at home and at his own free time, and uploading them into YouTube will also make him generate some certain amount of money because of YouTube partnership program. The other business type that a kid can do is being a baker or being a baker operator. This is decorating or making breads, any type of baking products, and selling them at a certain stalls. This will also make him to understand what are the inputs, what requirements, what are the raw materials, what are the products that you require to establish a certain type of business, and what type of selling techniques, what type of promotion techniques will you need to establish a successful business. The other business idea that you can help your kid to undertake is establishing a babysitting centers or establishing a babysitting place within your locality or within your home or your surrounding. Babies are so much interested into looking after other type of other kids, because it is something very fun for them to be with other kids, playing with toys and so many things. Keeping kids will also make him to earn something and understand what it takes to establish a business. So the other business idea that I have for you today is being a gardener. Being a gardener. This type of business is one thing that everyone can do. It can be both men and women, it can be both young and adults, but for kids it will be very much interesting because kids always like to explore the world and to adventure the surroundings. Starting certain type of garden around the homesteads will be so much interesting for them to start making money. This can be selling the flowers, this can be also creating beautiful gardens full of flowers, different type of colors around the homes. So the final and the last type of business that your kid can understand or can start is starting cleaning or slashing grasses around the homesteads. This can be with the use of lawns or with use of slashers, cutting down this type of trees around the homestead or where the people are living. Also another type of business you can do as a kid. So if you found that there are any other business that you can do as a kid, please put down in the comment below so that everyone else can get to know about it. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video.